Today I'm going to show you how to record voiceover using Canva. Let's go to video and choose any resolution you want. Let's choose video landscape and go to uploads and click record yourself. Choose record voiceover and click in this icon and choose your microphone. Let's use this one and click record. And now we are recording our voice. When you finish, and just click finish. And you can play your voice from here, and you can find it in upload audio. We can find it here. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.